If you learn the skill of making good ads, you will be financially set for life. Every single company out there needs good ads. Everybody wants new customers, and everybody understands that you only get new customers if you have amazing ads. So generally, when you do dropshipping, keep in mind the skills you learn in this field are invaluable. And because ads are the core of marketing in general, we're gonna dissect exactly what makes a good ad, what makes a bad ad, general rule of thumbs which you need to follow, and we're also gonna be reacting to a couple of amazing ads. Let's break down what the fundamentals of an ad are. Generally, you make a video or a picture, some kind of message, and you put it out into a market and you show it to a specific group of people. Let's just forget about dropshipping and imagine you are running a skydiving school. So you think to yourself, all right, how can I advertise this the best? And you make some kind of poster and have the best ad ever on that poster. It just conveys the perfect emotions. It's the perfect slogan. Everything is a 10 out of 10. Everything is perfect. So you made this banger ad and now you start putting it out in retirement homes. So you literally take all the posters and start pinning them in retirement homes. This is a scenario which happens very often. You just take a really good ad and show it to the wrong audience. No elderly person in the world is ever gonna jump out of an airplane. The ad itself is useless if the message is not seen by the right people. Basically, the point of an ad is to take a message and show it to the right person. And the same thing goes for dropshipping. If you, for example, have the skydiving poster somewhere on the top of some kind of hiking walk or some really extreme climbing mountain, whatever, you basically have people who are already into extreme sports and now they see a skydiving things. Of course, that's the target audience you want. And those are the people which you actually want to target. The ad itself just has to have the right message which speaks to those exact people. And it's not even that difficult. And my point here is, if you reverse this, sometimes your ad itself doesn't have to be too complicated. If you show an ad of some kind of kids product and it's basically some kind of toy for kids, you just show that to parents which have super annoying loud kids which are screaming and watching TV all the day, and basically the only way how to stop them from screaming is if they watch TV. If you show them an ad where you literally just say, my kid stopped watching TV after receiving this toy, you just have that hook by itself and it's gonna crush. Just because that person literally thinks exactly about that all the time, and now you show him the solution and they're like, wait, this resonates so much, I need whatever they're offering. And this is generally something which you're gonna need to test out. You're gonna have to test a bunch of different audiences with a bunch of different ads to make things work. And the ads by themselves need to vary in the angle. So for example, you can make an ad which is gonna sell some kind of fitness product. And you have so many different audiences here which you can think about. You can think of people who wanna lose weight. You can target the people who are hardcore in the gym and already are big and basically just search for a new tool to improve their physique even more. Or you have people who are super skinny and they just want to bulk up. All those people are completely different people, and every single ad is only going to work for a specific group. So you need to keep in mind who are you talking to, and down the entire funnel, you need to try to talk to only that person. You do not want to go broad. You want to go specific. We've seen so many fitness products which work 100,000 times better if you, for example, niche down. It's a general fitness product and it trains your forearm, and basically you say, this is perfect for tennis players. This is perfect for jujitsu. This is perfect for boxing. This is perfect for climbing. And you basically make ads which target those specific people all along, and you basically make so many different angles with new targetings that one of them hits and then things start to work. And in the end of the day, this is all an ad is. You basically just need to resonate with a specific group, and that's it. Also keep in mind that the best ads are usually done with the best products. There's sometimes products which are just so easy to make a banger perfect ad for that it just works. I'm basically going to show you an example here which just emphasizes this. This phone case looks and sounds just so satisfying that you want this specific phone case. Also, the entire setup in the background is so clean and so perfect that everything in total just looks very aesthetically pleasing. And you're gonna see this if you, for example, do TikTok organic. You're gonna see really good videos which go viral like crazy, But the video went viral not because of the product itself, but because of some external thing. And that's gonna result in you not making as many sales as if you would actually go viral because the product is so satisfying. And this is a perfect example, just 10 out of 10 execution also, how an ad can be done with just showing the product and basically presenting it in such a satisfying way. Here's another example from this knife company. I mean, how good is this? This, for example, was perfectly executed in the ad. The product by itself is just a knife, nothing crazy, nothing special. But if you present it in this way, you literally have a fireplace in the background, you're in nature, and every sound of every slice looks like this and sounds like this, you just want to get whatever they're showing you. And they're literally showing how sharp and perfect this knife is with this sound. And this is something which I've seen so often just being faked and over exaggerated. You're gonna see so many ads where if you look at it and listen, the sound is not gonna come from the product itself. It's basically an overlay where it's just made to make the product sound more satisfying. But besides the satisfaction factor, you need to understand what people want in your niche and why they're buying. So there's this company which is called True Classics, and they just sell regular looking t-shirts which are basically apparently fitting super well to make you look more muscular. And their ads are bangers. I'm gonna show you a few examples here and you're gonna see.
Hey man, what kind of shirt is that? I see you rocking it at the gym all the time.
This right here is True Classic Tees. I've tried all kinds of shirts out there, and these fit perfect. Material is high quality. I love them.
This is an extra large t-shirt that I bought. As you can see, it's baggy. Now this t-shirt feels amazing on. I like the material. I like the way that it fits my arms, nice and snug.
It's big and baggy, just not really flattering. As you can see, hugs my arms a little better all throughout my shoulders, but isn't tight throughout the body.
This is just executed so well. They just create this perfect before after effect with wearing a shitty t-shirt and then wearing their t-shirt and looking 1,000 times better. And they basically sell you on a quick hack on how to look like you either lost weight or got it bigger, depending on whatever you want. I would actually recommend you going through their ad library and seeing what kind of angles they're trying, because you're gonna see the amount of creatives they're testing is just insane. They're testing so many different things which just talk to different types of people. This is something you need to learn. You need to understand that the whole game of ads is just a testing game. You're not gonna hit the perfect banger ad from try one. You're only gonna be able to do that after testing a bunch of things and just finding what resonates with which audience. Also keep in mind that voiceovers are super important. Voiceovers are always better than just having text only. I would definitely recommend going on Fiverr and just buying some voiceover like for 5 to 10 euros, which is gonna sound amazing. And it should be from real people. I know that AI right now is coming up and it's doing amazing, and at some point it's gonna be at a place where it's just unrecognizable. But at this point, I would first get real people and obviously give them scripts. And I assume in the next few months, there's gonna be an AI tool which literally just doesn't sound different than a regular human being. One rule of thumb which you always need to keep in mind is that the only thing which people see is the first couple of seconds. If you don't hook them in the first couple of seconds, they're gone and they're not going to see the rest. If you don't get to the point instantly, there is a really high chance that nobody's ever going to see anything later on. Even if you have the most amazing middle part in the world, nobody's going to see it if your hook is terrible. I would say that over 50% of your time making an ad should go into the first 3-4 seconds. I would personally say the skill of making creatives themselves is the quickest to learn with TikTok Organic, because you just have to make so many videos one after another to actually succeed with this. It's basically going to teach you the skill of optimizing everything and focusing on every single little detail and understanding where people click away, why they keep watching, when they actually follow your call to action, when they don't click on your website, what resonates with which audience. It's just such a perfect playing ground on how to make amazing ads. Also, if you're interested in working with me personally in a program where I'm just going to guide you through the entire dropshipping process, you can click the link below and sign up for a call with me personally, where we're going to find out if you are a good fit for my program. If we both think you are, you're going to start working with me and hopefully talk to you soon.